Folks, today we are going to be talking about lines in space. And this lines in space is a very important part of technical drawing because it talks about projections and the um, the traces of lines when they are viewed from different planes. And an example of that is the vertical plane, the horizontal plane, and then we have the end projections. So in this case, it is often necessary to find the true length of a line and its angle to the planes. Because most of the time, whenever we are viewing lines and whenever we are drawing them, we are often drawing them according to their projections, not the true length of those lines. So what we do in line in space is we either look for the true length or we find the projections of those lines and even the angle to the given plane. So if a line makes an angle to the plane, it will, if produced, penetrate the plane. So if it makes an angle, it's going to penetrate. But if it doesn't make an angle with the plane, it won't penetrate. So the point where it penetrates the plane is called the trace. So for example, in this case, we have a line. This is the real line. Then when it is looked at perpendicular to the horizontal plane, when you look at it in an angle that is perpendicular to the horizontal plane, you get the line as this. But this is not the true length of the line. The line will look like this when is seen perpendicular to the horizontal plane. And also, if you look at the line from this end, that's in the direction of this arrow. If you look at the line in this end in the direction of this arrow, you will see it as this from here to here. If you look at this thick line from here to here. And also, if you look at it from parallel to the perpendicular to the vertical plane, if you look at it from here, it will look something like this. But then this is the true length. So this is the true length. That means the true length is the length when we are looking at it from the vertical plane. But if we are looking at it from the horizontal plane, it looks shorter than the actual length. So this is what we deal with in line in space. And for example, of one of the processes here is to find the trace of a line given the elevation and plan. So in this diagram, the first thing you have to do is you project the elevation onto the XY lines. So basically, this is the drawing here. So we have a line. All we need to do is, this is the line in the vertical plane and this is the line in the horizontal plane. So you just project the line in the vertical to the XY. This is the baseline XY, and this point. So this point is called the horizontal trace. So when we project this point to the plan produced, we'll project this point to the plan. So we'll produce the plan also and project the points down to intersect the plan. Then this is called the horizontal trace. So this line itself. Then also when we project the plan to the XY line and project this point to the elevation, this point is called the vertical trace. So if you project this point to the elevation, this is called the vertical trace. So that is basically what we'll be dealing with. Next episode, we'll be talking in more detail about this. Thanks for watching.